I'm sure you're wondering, how can a cup of tea transform the data in Pandas? How is it even related? So without much delay, let's get started. Okay, let's assume we have a data frame and I've imported pandas and I've created a data frame with number of legs, number of wings, specimens seen, etc. Let me see how does the data frame look like. I'll hit this and I'll go to the next line. I'll hit data frame and we can see number of legs, number of wings, specimens seen. These are in columns and we have these in indexes. So in this video what you're looking for, you're looking to transpose this data. So we want these columns to be coming on the index and whatever is there in the rows or index to go back to the columns. So pretty simple thing, take a cup of tea. Yes, you heard me right. You just need to take a cup of tea. So what did I mean by tea? Just type data frame df dot capital T and then hit enter. There you go. It's as simple as that. Hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.